In this video, I'm going to reveal 9 of the most common affiliate marketing mistakes that new affiliate marketers are making. I'm going to reveal these mistakes so that you can actually start earning passive income and stop fearing the results of not making any money and potentially having to tell your friends and family that you failed. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn 9 common mistakes that a lot of affiliate marketers are making. Hello, my name is ALSTONG, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I promoted everything from sound bars to stand mixers, microwaves, security cameras, as well as web hosting. If you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it. These are common mistakes that a lot of new affiliate marketers make, and it really prevents them from getting out of the gates. They spend a few months making these mistakes, and then they quit and go back to going back to work, or they try a different online business opportunity. Regardless, if you're brand new, you're probably making one of these mistakes. Now, what I want you to do is, if you see a mistake that you're making, I want you to comment with the number, and we can go ahead and get it figured out. Maybe I'll make a future video on how you can overcome these mistakes, but let's go ahead and get right into it. Number one, the biggest mistake that I see right now on social media is people simply copying everyone else. If you're on TikTok and you're part of the affiliate marketing niche section of TikTok, you've probably seen the exact same video over and over again. Now, when I say the exact same video, it's the exact same text, even the color text, the exact same music, the exact same words on the screen, like word for word. And that's really preventing you from getting the success that you're looking for. What happens is one person will see one of these videos and then they'll see 7 more just like it. And how are you standing out? How are you different from your competitors or the people that are within your niche? People will start to see you as the exact same. You'll start to blend in, and really what you want to do is you want to stand out and you want to differentiate yourself. Now, what I recommend that you do is simply tell your story. Your story is unique to you, but believe it or not, there are millions of people that have that exact same story. When you can tell your story and you can share your story, you can create compelling content and you can actually make money. So number one is tell your story and be different. Like I said, I see way too many people over on TikTok doing the exact same videos over and over again. And quite frankly, it's why a lot of them are getting blocked, because they're actually being seen as scammers. So that's number one. Number two is not understanding what the customer really wants. And to help illustrate that, I want to show you this camera. Now, what you can see, I'm sure you can see it. I have new lights here. I've got a little bit of a different setup. The light, my softbox is turned for a little bit more of a dramatic look. And the reason why I'm doing this, I went out and purchased these lights. I went out and purchased a different camera so that I can make better YouTube videos. Why do I want better YouTube videos? So that I can get in front of a larger audience. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this is simple. If I'm searching how to make better YouTube videos, that person wants to make better YouTube videos because there is something that is underlying that is bothering them. For example, if I search, and I have searched best DSLR or best camera for vlogging or for YouTube, that person not only just wants a camera, they probably want an entire setup so that they can actually provide better content and potentially have other needs like making more money, gaining better status, getting more followers, whatever it may be. What I want you to do is really understand what the customer wants so that you can provide more options. If the videos that I'd gone to had come up with a lighting setup, a course, maybe the best camera, that would be an opportunity to sell even more stuff. But once you understand what the customer really wants or what the customer needs, you can make even more money, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But what I recommend that you do as an affiliate marketer, try and figure out what the customer really wants. The person, for example, you want to learn affiliate marketing so that you can make money online, so that you can eventually fire your boss, make a full-time income, live the laptop lifestyle. That's how I know what you really want, and that's a lot of new marketers don't really understand that. A lot of the veteran marketers that have been around a long time, they'll use those buzzwords like laptop lifestyle. They'll use full-time income because they understand that's what you really want. You are searching affiliate marketing, but what you really want is to live the laptop lifestyle. You want to go on vacation when you want to. But once you understand what the customer really wants, you can serve them at a higher level and eventually make more money. So that's number two, not understanding what the customer really wants. Number three, my pet peeve, the spray and pray method. Now, the spray and pray method comes in many forms. It's people that are just spraying their affiliate links everywhere, telling them to buy with no context and no value. There's people over on TikTok that are writing these long paragraphs and saying, go check out Trader Joe to learn more on WhatsApp. None of that works. The conversion, as I've said in a TikTok video, is like 0.00001%. And you're just spraying your affiliate link or your Telegram link or whatever it may be all over the internet and praying that somebody will click and stick. In most instances, it just doesn't work and you're wasting your time. A better option, and it doesn't even take that much longer, is to figure out what your customer wants, what your customer needs, what your customers' values are, and you can create content there and you can make money. Now, a lot of that are bots, but some people, it does take a long time to set those bots up. But some people are actually manually posting them, and just stop with the spray and pray. It doesn't work. Number 4 is actually not starting email marketing. Right now, there's no excuse not to do email marketing. Okay, email marketing is free with Aweber. It's free with GetResponse. It's free with System.io. There's a ton of places to do email marketing. Now, the reason why you want to do email marketing is so that you can make more money with the same customers. And I'll talk about that in a moment. But as I mentioned with this YouTube example, this YouTube lighting setup, if I know that the person wants to make better YouTube videos, I can promote lighting. I can promote a camera and a microphone and even a course on software, a course on hardware, a course on just making better YouTube videos in general. And once you have email marketing and you are collecting these emails, you understand what the customer wants, you can make more money with the same customer. You don't need this massive email list if you really understand what the customer wants. So it's all kind of locked in here together, and it's going to feel like I'm jumping back and forth. But in reality, if you have email marketing, you can better understand what your customer wants, you can promote multiple products, and you can make even more money online. So that is number 4. Number 5 is just not starting. One of the things that prevented me from getting started for maybe a year was trying to watch videos and figure out what people were doing. I used to watch a YouTuber called Nathan Lucas. I think his name was like Freedom Influencer. And I used to try and figure out how he was getting so many leads and so many views and how he was doing so well. Instead, I should have just been creating the content and figuring out for myself, because it's one thing that people are going to tell you what to do, but until you actually go out and try and execute it, that's when you really figure out what works and what doesn't work for you. So I recommend starting, make bad, low quality content, just try and figure it out as you go. Now, you want to watch YouTube videos and read blog posts and enroll in courses to help you get further faster. But the biggest thing that's preventing you is not starting. So after this video is over, of course, go ahead and create your first YouTube video. It's going to be bad, but that's okay. Look at my first videos. They were terrible. This one hopefully is marginally better. But after not starting is not promoting multiple products. Again, using this YouTube example, there's at least 10 different opportunities that someone could make if they collected my email address and they knew that I really want to make better YouTube videos. Let's think about this. I kind of went over it really quickly, but a microphone, the best microphone for a YouTuber, the best camera for YouTuber, the best softbox, the best lighting, the best keyboard, the best course to make better YouTube videos. All of that could be promoted with one, just knowing what your customer is interested in. And again, this goes back to not needing a list of 100,000 people. If you truly understand what they want and what they need, you can promote multiple products. You could even promote something like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can promote different video editing software. There's affiliate programs for that as well. I think DaVinci Resolve has an affiliate program, but you can see that this starts to grow and get big, and you can make all sorts of money with promoting multiple products as long as it's congruent or relevant to the target audience. So what I'd recommend that you do here is maybe make a list of 5 or 10 products that are relevant to what your customer needs after you've picked your niche, of course, and then you can go ahead and make money. Number 7, this is a mistake that I made early on, is spending money on stuff you don't need. You can start affiliate marketing basically for free. If you have a smartphone, you can start affiliate marketing for free. Whether it's YouTube or TikTok or even a blog, that's going to be kind of challenging. But what I recommend that you do is just get started and don't waste money on things you don't need. There are things that you do need, of course, but you don't have to spend money where you can't afford it. That puts you in a hole as an affiliate, and you kind of keep trying to dig yourself out, and you wind up getting deeper in the hole, and you might actually wind up doing things that you wouldn't normally do because you found yourself in this hole. But make sure that you are only spending stuff on that you absolutely need, and then just reinvest. Once you start making a little bit of money, go ahead and reinvest in a camera or a microphone, whatever it may be. Number 8, not taking advantage of trends. There are trending topics that are coming and going all the time. I recommend that you jump on those. You can look at a website like Google Trends. You can also look at Twitter to see what's trending. You can create content there and potentially make money. Now, in almost any instance, you can take whatever type of content is out there and shoehorn it into your niche. For example, if we're thinking about something that was trending within the last, 24 hours, there was an unfortunate accident, you can shoehorn that into your niche in most instances. So take advantage of things that are trending. Make sure that you always keep your eyes and ears to the streets or to the ground. Another way that you can take advantage of things that are trending is by looking at other people within your niche. So in this example, or for example, what you could do, or what I could do, is I could look at YouTube channels that are within my niche. I can take a look at the last 2 weeks of content and see which ones are doing very well, and I can create content. Maybe I tried that type of content, or this didn't work for me, or even improve on the original video. So take a look and see what's trending. Don't be afraid to look and see what other people are doing. Again, you don't want to copy anyone. You want to create original content, but you want to make sure that you are looking and seeing what's trending. Number 9, and I think this is a huge one, I kind of elaborated on this a few different times, is not understanding the interest, desire, and motivation of your customer. Every customer has an interest, desire, and motivation. If they don't, they're not going to buy. For example, with you, you're interested in learning affiliate marketing mistakes that people are making. Your desire is to earn passive income or make money online with affiliate marketing, and your motivation might be your family or spending 70 hours a week at the office. You don't want to do that anymore. Your motivation, as I mentioned, is going to be your friends and family, spending time, maybe paying bills and getting out of debt. But once you understand the interest, desire, and motivation of your customer, you can truly make money. The one way that you can make money with the interest, desire, motivation is with actually in YouTube. The last few days, I've been doing like an interest, desire, motivation type of intro, and my video, my average watch time has actually been a little bit longer. For example, I'll say something like, hey, so you're interested in starting a side hustle so that, you want to make sure that you include so that you can earn a few extra dollars per day or pay bills so you can, so I use the word so that and so you can, and then I'll say so you can spend more time with your family or go on vacation or, fix your rundown car. So you want to make sure when you are doing your interest, desire, motivation, try and use the word so that and then so you can, and that'll really let you know that you have nailed it and you are going to be speaking to your target audience. Let's go ahead and recap this real quick. Number 1 is copying everyone else. Number 2 is not understanding what the customer really wants. Number 3, the spray and pray method. Number 4, not starting email marketing. Number 5, not starting at all. Number 6, promoting multiple products. Number 6, not promoting multiple products. Number 7, spending money on stuff you don't need. Number 8, not taking advantage of trends. And number 9, not understanding the interest, desire, and motivation of your customer. Now that you know 9 common affiliate marketing mistakes, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.